Sorry.
Are you ready?
I'm just demonstrating in front of you.
Oh, they're beautiful, aren't they? Okay, just make sure that you turn everything off that you turned on, please, okay? And here's your bathing suit.
I'm almost done.
Okay, and you could change in one of the bathrooms. Alright?
Okay. Don't know.
Julius really wants to go into the pool, so I'm going to go with him, okay?
Dad, did you remember how to put like the snorkel on?
The what?
The snorkel on?
It has a holder. Here, buddy. Okay, that's yours. Please put that on. Alright, I'm going to go in the pool with Julius, okay?
Okay.